Yeah. Hey, hi, hello everyone. This is Vinay Kumar. I wish to showcase my web development project skills with the help of a project that I have recently developed. Uh, in coming to my project, I have developed a multiplayer gaming system where two users who are online can compete with each other in a room. Uh, for development of this application, for backend framework, I have gone through Node.js. Coming to acting as a middleware for front end and backend, I have used Express.js. Coming to the front end part, I have used EGS part and also a canvas kind of things that comes with a JavaScript. Um, and other usually those basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript things. Uh, Without any further ado, let's see what my project is all about. This is a website named Dual Dynamics. Since it is a multiplayer gaming system, I have named it as a Dual Dynamics. In this website, I have included both tic-tac-toe and also a ping pong game to play on. First of all, any user who wants to utilize my website, how to log in. So by clicking on login, you will be redirected to a login page where you enter your credentials. If there is no account, first let's try with the account which does not exist. Um, Vinay Kumar 23 at the rate gmail.com. Coming to password, some uh, to execute this password, I have also encrypted such that made sure that all the letters, tags, and nums should be included. I have written only small case and I have user append. If I say to login, yeah, it says that password must consist of at least one uppercase letter, lowercase, and all other also the digits. So coming back, VINAY at the rate Gmail one. Sorry. Now it says the user is not found. But if I give the credentials, so if you want to register, click on register, the form gets expanded. Here you give your name. Let's call it Vinay. Display name or something same as Vinay. Email address. What do you want? Make 001. Let's say it as one. Password as INAY at the rate 01. Now if you click on register, user is registered. Again, let's log into it with the same user ID. Okay, Kumar1 at the rate gmail.com and password VINAY at the rate gmail1. Now, if we log in, here you see two games available for us. If by going, let's see our profile section. By default, we do not have any profile. If you want to change your name, you can change it by here. Here you see the statistics, number of games played as 0 till now, and number of games won by this user is also 0. And coming to the stats page, here you can see total number of games played and wins he had from the games he has won played. Here we calculate a win rate, win percentage with the help of a games won and also the total games played. Uh, Last here we display last game player games, and here we display all his friends. When playing, he has some friends. All those friends list will be listed here. Now, to show you how you would be going to the platform, to show you how two players can play simultaneously, that also log into new tab. Let's go to incognito tab. We are using incognito tab here so that the algorithm it's the same user does not get uh, log in here. Since we have used JWT tokens to authorize a person, if we again log into the same tab, it says that the user already logged in, and so that it did not it will not ask you to log in again. But here, this is a new incognito tab. If I say copy the same URL here uh, and tries to go to that path, it redirects me to login page. The page is not coming. Since because I have used JWT tokens to authorize the person whether he is logged in or not. So here let's log into it other user. See here, this is another user. Let's go into the profile section. You can see here he has played 119 games, out of which he has played 36 games. And coming to stats section, you see win per rate has 52% last played on June and April in his friends Vishnu and Rio. So now let's play tic-tac-toe with both the users. Coming to tic-tac-toe and coming to here tic-tac-toe. Here we need to give a room ID which is unique for both the users. Here we search for the player using this room ID, and also here we search for the player using that room ID. See, now you see here he is a player with name user and she has a name here with Padmaja. Uh, while playing here, all the buttons get disabled when it's not turn off this user. But coming to here, when it's turn off X user, all the buttons are enabled. Here, let's click on a button. So after this turn, automatically turns off voice get enabled. Now it's O turn, so let's click it on. When it's a X turn, it will be enabled to this. Yeah, let's assume make a X player win. Here you see a dialog box appear. Uh, X has won the game. Okay. Now also let's also see a demonstration of ping pong game. Uh, Coming to ping pong. Here I did not develop any room such kind of things since there is a time barrier to me to submit my project during my college days. I haven't haven't used any room kind of thing. But using sockets, whenever two players are ready, it connects automatically both the users. And see here we are able to play ping pong game. This user uses a handle of red, and simultaneously when coming to here, this uses a pedal of blue. And whenever a user simultaneously wins for 10 times, that user will be declared as a winner. So let's see this video in a fast forward way. Right. Let's make a red begin. Move it, move it, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here you see is declared as winner and also as a loser. So now let's go back to our stats page in our new account, new profile section. Here you see we have played total of 3 games. Uh, and here coming to the stats, uh, we have played 3 games out of which we have won completely all the 20 and last played on both on the same day. And here we played with a friend named Padmaja. Mm, and coming to profile section, here you see username. To change this username, we shall write here a new username like of Vinay Kumar, Vinay Kumar, and enter our password which we set initially. Name changes to Vinay Kumar. And when we want to update profile photo, we choose a file. I have placed a file on desktop. Going to desktop. Okay, here it is image. Let's open it. Here is your profile JPG and enter a password which we have set during our login time. We are entering password so that only the uh, real user would be able to change his credentials. Here you see the profile photo is successfully updated. Even if you refresh the profile, you see the same credentials here. Um, and when this is a way I have developed all 2 games, and when you log out, and when you come back here, still you get into your page. Even though you log out, the JWT token which has been saved on the website gets being rendered. But whenever you refresh it, the JWT token, since it is being deleted after you log out, the web page goes to redirects you to the home page so that since the JWT token is not loaded in the Chrome, it's get deleted back. Uh, Now let's go through some of the code written. See here is the JWT implementation of what I used. Const JWT, and this is the secret key I have provided. And coming to service here, here is the part which creates a JWT token that has to be rendered to the browser. Mm. And coming here, we just decode it and verify whether it is the same user or not. If not, we say is invalid token. It's not generated by us, or else we redirect him. This is the flow of my project, where these are our controllers to handle web requests, and this is the middleware used. These are all the different models used to link to my database. So that's MongoDB. And coming to all different packages, you see here I use different packages to you implement this project. Crypt and decrypt for the password verification using cookies to enable authorization. EGX is used as my front-end part. We have used JWT token and Mulder to file uploads and all other basics kind of stuff. We have seen the implementation of a game in two different tabs. But if you want to experience it in a real world for playing on two different laptops, you both have to be connected to a similar Wi-Fi provider. And when you type it in your terminal, say it's IP config. Let's see it in my terminal. Terminal is a IP config. You see here you get a IPv4 address. This is your IPv4 address. By adding this IPv address, all the positions where you use your web browser URL as a local host, cross origin, and also the server page here. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, and also in tic-tac-toe game, where is it? Public, yeah, XSS.js files in coming to ping pong game in main.js. Here you see again here localhost. Here after overwriting all the localhost with your IPv4 address, and you have to log in onto the same URL in your Chrome, not the localhost. Then you can see both players are playing in two different laptops, which I have done already, but due to not availability of second laptop, I am not able to show to you. But it works.